Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 26th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar. And we're starting off on the daily time frame. So on the daily, we had a really nice push up right here, but this trend is definitely still down based on structure for sure. These are definitely all lower highs, as you can see. So our job is definitely going to be to try to determine whether this move up is a pullback to this move down, or whether this move up is some sort of a reversal and it goes up and gives us a break of structure. So while we're looking for longs on sort of time frames, we go down to the sort of time phase, and while we're looking for longs, hopefully we're going to learn and earn at the same time whether it continues to make higher highs, higher lows like this, like a brand new impulsive move, or whether it goes to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels and gives us a break of structure to the downside. If we get a Fib bounce and a break to the downside, it should confirm that the daily time frame is back into its downtrend. Right now, I would say roughly the 2 hour time frame should show us the break of structure to the downside, because this right here is the most recent swing low before price went up and made a new swing high. But if it keeps on making higher highs, higher lows, just keep on following your structure the whole way up while looking for longs. And if it just keeps on trending, then we should be looking for longs anyway. So that should be good news for us. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.